how to turn off AI on Snapchat. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to turn off AI on Snapchat. First of all, open Snapchat. Go into Chats. Click on My AI and go into Manage Friendships. Click to remove friend. Then go into its chat settings and click Clear from Chat Feed. After that, click on your profile icon. Go into Settings. Scroll down and tap on I need help. Here search how to remove AI. Tap on the first relevant search. It describes the process of removing my AI from Snapchat. If you don't find it helpful, click on This article didn't answer my question or solve my problem option. Then click Submit. After that, tap on Contact Us. Choose the option of what we can help you with. Select I need help with a Snapchat feature. Select what feature this is related to. Choose My AI from here. Then choose from What do you need help with? Select How do I unpin or remove my AI? Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.